for work. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting a prepping for Seoul, South Korea. If you missed my last vlog, I talked about me having to go to Korea for work. So we are heading to Korea. This is gonna be my first time going to Korea in Asia in general. I've only been to Turkey, which I will add the Turkey vlogs in the screen somewhere. I went to Turkey last year also for work. So this is like a yearly, like out of the country big trip that my job does. So if you don't know, I work full-time. I work 9 to 5 from Monday to Friday as a social media coordinator. So I am in the media team, and every year, so once a year we do this out of the country trip. I am going to be working on this trip. This one is going to be about 5 to 6 days that I'm going to stay there and be there. So yeah, I am super excited about it. I know it's going to be busy and I'm going to work a lot because I am media, and so I'm taking a lot of content, out of footage, I'm going to be editing and doing a bunch of stuff. But also I'm excited to just be in a new environment, explore Korea because I've never been there, and also be able to have a little bit of free time where I can go shopping and other things, just explore overall. Part of the trip is like truly traveling and exploring, so a lot of the content that I'm going to get is like part of the top places in Seoul that you would want to see. I have been able to thankfully take you along a lot of my work trips lately since I started working at this new job, and now it's been over a year since I've been here at this job. So I'm excited to take you along for this one, and today we're going to do a lot of prepping for it. I have done a few things here and there, but today actually what we're going to start with is that we're about to head out because I'm gonna get a haircut. My hair, I recently cut it like not too long ago, but I wanted to show you the before because it's about to get shorter. I am feeling like taking the leap and going shorter. I think it's already grown out a lot. Actually, I think I cut it around here and it's already been growing out a lot. We are going to go a little bit shorter, so I want to show you the after, but I thought I would start this vlog, and I just wanted to do this because it's just, I don't know, I just wanted some change. And honestly, I feel like my hair is at a weird length right now that I don't like. My bangs are already like super long and definitely need like a trim. I usually really grow out my hair super long to donate it. I've been doing that for a while now, and this time around I really want to embrace my hair in some way for myself and cut it and style it and take more, like, I don't know, take more care of it. Other than just letting it grow out. I do want to donate again in the future, but I'm gonna take a little bit of break from that and just kind of see what I want to do. So this is the before. I know I have a black shirt, but this is the length of my hair right now, and so I will show you the length of how it looks like after it's done. But this is the before, and this is the first thing that we're gonna do, because then I need to start doing laundry, packing, doing a bunch of things to prep. Today is Thursday, no, today's Wednesday, and I leave Friday morning, so I will keep you updated. And this is just the before of the hair. So this is before, and I'll see you soon. Oh my gosh, do you see my hair? I feel like a brand new person. Oh my gosh, I had like the cutest experience in there. This was my first time there. I'm getting used to it, it's so different, but oh my gosh, that took way longer than I thought it would. So it is now 7 and I was supposed to start packing, or at least doing laundry, because I don't want to like last minute pack. But oh my gosh, I'm still getting used to this hair. Oh my gosh, it's so weird, but I feel older. Let me know if you guys like it. We're gonna eat dinner. This is our favorite Chipotle salad.
What?
Caesar just added what?
Chipotle?
Oh no, sorry. What is it called?
Chickpea salad.
Chickpea salad. I'm sorry, chickpea salad. I love you. We love the chickpea salad. We make it like once a week, and it's so good. So we just add avocado on top, which Caesar just added, and then the crumbled feta on top, and it's so good. we started laundry at least for today, and then we'll be folding that later. But I'm just gonna watch, we're gonna watch a little bit of Love Island UK. Actually, we started Love Island UK for a little bit, and then I need to do some editing after, because the vlog that went up before this one has to get edited. Well, it's already like 90-ish% done, so we're almost there, but need to fine-tune some things. I don't know, I just like looked in the big mirror that I got, which I didn't share with you guys, I don't think, but we did get a mirror.
There you go. Okay, then take up styrofoam and put it aside for now, and then I'll lift it from that side.
We're doing a little bit of like getting new things for the apartment. We're gonna get a new bed too, because we have a full-size bed. We want to get a queen-size bed. And then I got a full standing mirror finally. I've been wanting it for so long, and I finally got it. And I was looking at myself there, I was like, okay, I really love this hair look on me. Like, it's growing super fast on me. I mean, I liked it, but like I was like a little bit worried because short hair, I don't know, like, you know. But I'm really loving it. It looks so cute, and I do feel a little bit older. But yes, I will keep you updated. I'm planning to make a short little video too on Instagram, because I did film a little bit of like going to the salon and all that stuff, getting my hair cut, my hair washed, all that stuff. Yeah. So I do want to edit that at some point, but I'm going to prioritize the YouTube video because I really want to get that done, because tomorrow I don't want to have to like edit when I have to pack and make sure I have everything for Friday morning. But yes, that is the update for now. So thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you think of my hair, because I think I really love it, and my scalp feels so much better. She gave me like a consultation in the beginning of it, like basically asking me how my hair is and anything for her to know, which was super cool as well. So yeah, I feel like a brand new person. My scalp feels so clean. She did like a whole treatment for the frizz. She did like a bunch of stuff. I like don't usually go to salons like that are pricier, because I just don't want to spend that money. But this was like a great investment, honestly, on my hair and just on how I feel, because I feel like $1 million. It is the next morning. Today is Thursday, and I can't believe I leave tomorrow. We took Leo for a walk this morning, and then also packed my lunch and everything. So I'm going to head out for work, but I thought I would show you my outfit, because I did finish laundry yesterday, but I didn't pack. I did take out my suitcase, but I didn't pack, so that's the plan for today. I also need to run like a quick errand today, because I need to get like a few things, just like a travel size for my contact lens liquid, and then like Q-tips, and then I forgot something else I have on my list. But anyways, let me show you my outfit for today. Okay, so here's the suitcase that I'm gonna take. I actually also have to take a suitcase for work that they're gonna give me today, so I'm gonna have to check that one in. But this is my little pillow, my suitcase that I still need to pack, so we will do that today. But this is my outfit for the day, and then this is how the hair is looking. I tried to like brush it a little bit and put a little bit of oil, but it's still puffy and stuff. So this is how the hair is looking. I'm just wearing a simple like turtleneck underneath here, like a black one. I think it's from like H&M or something that I've had for a very long time. This jacket is from Zara that I wear all the time, and these are fake pockets. And then my pants are actually just like, I don't know where they're from, but I got them from Savers, so I got them secondhand. And then my shoes right here are originally from Target. I've had them for so long, and I even had them I think when Leo was a puppy, because he chewed on the back of them. But yes, this is my outfit of the day, and I will see you later after work because we have a lot to do today. Hello friends, I'm back from work and I just took Leo out. He's eating his dinner. I am about to see the money that I ordered. So I ordered Korean ones. Since this is a work trip, pretty much everything is expensive. And so I took some money out. So how I have done it in the past, like for turkey, I actually had Caesar do it, and he did it because he had Chase in the past, and now I have Bank of America. So if you have Bank of America and you're in the US, obviously, you can order just money through there on the app. So that's what I did. So I ordered about like $250 of USD, which is the equivalent to, I don't know how much. I think it's 250,000 Korean wons, I believe, is what I'm looking at correctly. But yeah, I'm about to open it. They basically just ship it to you, or you can go pick it up in person, but I just got it shipped because it's just easier. So they just dropped it on the front of my house, in front of my door. So I'm just about to open it and see, just to make sure. I also already checked in for my flight today, so pretty good. Wow, this is so cool. I love seeing like other money from different countries. I still have like about, I don't know how much lira, like 10 lira I think. I have one bill from Turkey still that I actually never used, but yeah, this is the Korean ones, which is so pretty. This is how the 5,000 looks on the front and on the back. So cool. So have to make sure and count this. They have really nice bills actually. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys the Peruvian soles, the bills for that, but some of them are bigger than others in here. Interesting. But yeah, that is the money. I just want to make sure that I have that complete, and then I'm actually gonna start editing. I need to finish editing my video because I didn't finish it last night, and then we'll get to packing because all my laundry is already washed, thankfully, so I'm good with that. And then I also got something else that I wish I could show you guys, but I can't. But basically, now that I have become a citizen, me and Caesar are going to start wedding planning, which is crazy. I don't know if you guys have watched the video where we posted that we did get married. We talked about, or I mentioned how we did want to have a wedding still. So yeah, we are going to have a wedding next year, which is very exciting. I just ordered some swatches from Birdie Gray, it's called, and I just ordered some swatches for like the suits. This one I can show you because I don't know what color Caesar's gonna do, and then I only ordered one color for me because I'm kind of already decided on what color I want. I just wanted to see it. Just ordered these swatches, which are free on Birdie Gray if you're interested. But yes, so I don't know, I guess we could do like a wedding plan series. There are things that I'll be able to show you early on versus later on, but I do plan to have bridesmaid, which is why I don't want them to know the color. So in case my friends watch this, I don't want them to know the color that I'm picking yet, because I still have to do like wedding proposal or bridesmaid proposal and all that stuff. But yeah, that is starting. So that'll be probably a separate series if you guys want to see that. I'm super excited because we've been waiting for me to get my citizenship for us to start the planning process, and so now we are ready to start the planning process. So yeah, that's not what this video is about, but I just wanted to share that with you guys because it's just such an exciting thing that we are going to do. Although we're already married, we are planning our wedding because we never had a wedding. We just got married and then we had like a dinner, but we never had a wedding, and that's something that we wanted to do. So yes, my wedding is now going to be in the US. So I guess part of the wedding planning too is going to be planning outside of the country and stuff, but I'm so excited and I just wanted to tell you the news, I guess. But I am excited. I'm also a little nervous that I'm gonna go on this, what is it, 12 hours, almost 13-hour flight. But Turkey was 13 hours, so I'm sure I can do this whole flight. I just got to my room. Look at this view. This is like the fanciest room. I will show you this during the day, but this is like the fanciest hotel that I've like ever been to. What the heck? Like, we've done, I don't know, this is kind of like really fancy. Like the whole outside is like so aesthetic, but I am sharing this room. I'll just show you a quick like overview of the room. So you saw the beds right there, super simple. And then over here there's a mirror, which I'm about to change. And then this little coffee section, the closet, and this is the bathroom. Nice shower. The toilet has all those buttons that I need to figure out. Yeah, this is the bathtub and towels. Super nice. I actually have to go take some content right away. I'm tired. I napped a little bit on the bus here, but I'm gonna go do that. And we're having like a welcome dinner, so I'm gonna go shoot some content and then probably go out to eat after. And so I will try to take you along and show you around, but I'm so tired. That was a long flight. I watched like 4 movies, but yeah, I will do my best to take you along, even like me working in between or whatever. But don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and okay, bye.